Where do you live?
I live right here.
Is that your house?
Yes, my own house.
Is the house new?
Yes, quite new, actually.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Is the house big?
Medium size, very comfortable.
How many rooms are there?
4 rooms in total.
Do you have your own room?
Yes, my own room.
Is your room big?
Yes, nice and big.
Do you like your room?
Yes, very much so.
Are those your keys?
Yes, my house keys.
Is the house yours?
Yes, my family's house.
Does your family live here?
Yes, all live here.
How many people live here?
4 people live here.
Do you like this neighborhood?
Yes, very nice area.
Is the neighborhood safe?
Yes, very safe here.
Are the neighbors friendly?
Yes, very friendly neighbors.
Do you know your neighbors?
Yes, I know them.
Is the street quiet?
Yes, very quiet street.
Do you like quiet streets?
Yes, perfect for studying.
Is there a garden here?
Yes, beautiful garden there.
Do you like gardens?
Yes, very much so.
Do you work in garden?
Sometimes I help Dad.
Are there flowers in garden?
Yes, colorful flowers everywhere.
What flowers are there?
Red, orange, and yellow.
Do you water the flowers?
Yes, every single morning.
Is gardening fun?
Yes, very relaxing hobby.
Is the grass green?
Yes, very green grass.
Do you cut the grass?
Yes, Dad and I.
Is your house near school?
Yes, 10 minutes away.
Do you walk to school?
Yes, I walk daily.
Is walking good for you?
Yes, very healthy habit.
Is there a park nearby?
Yes, just 1 block.
Do you go to park?
Yes, on weekends always.
Is the park big?
Yes, quite big park.
Do you have a porch?
Yes, nice big porch.
Do you sit on porch?
Yes, every single evening.
Is the porch comfortable?
Yes, my favorite spot.
Do you read on porch?
Yes, I love reading there.
Is there a garage?
Yes, 1-car garage.
Does your family have a car?
Yes, 1 family car.
Who drives the car?
Dad drives it mostly.
Is your house warm in winter?
Yes, very warm inside.
Do you have heating?
Yes, good heating system.
Is your house cool in summer?
Yes, we have fans.
Do you have air conditioning?
No, just good fans.
Are fans enough in summer?
Yes, enough for us.
Do you like summer or winter?
I prefer warm summer.
What do you do in summer?
Play outside every day.
Do you have a basement?
No, no basement here.
Do you have an attic?
No, No attic either.
How many floors does it have?
Just 2 floors here.
What is upstairs?
Bedrooms are all upstairs.
What is downstairs?
Kitchen and living room.
Is your kitchen big?
Yes, nice big kitchen.
Do you cook in kitchen?
Yes, Mom cooks there.
Is your living room nice?
Yes, very cozy room.
Do you watch TV there?
Yes, every single evening.
Do you have a sofa?
Yes, big comfortable sofa.
Is the sofa comfortable?
Yes, very soft sofa.
Do you relax on sofa?
Yes, after school, always.
Do you have a dining table?
Yes, big dining table.
Does family eat together there?
Yes, every single dinner.
Is eating together important?
Yes, very important tradition.
Do you have a bathroom upstairs?
Yes, one upstairs bathroom.
Is your house always clean?
Yes, Mom keeps it clean.
Does everyone help clean?
Yes, we all help.
What do you clean?
I clean my room.
Is your room always tidy?
Mostly, yes, sometimes not.
Do you make your bed daily?
Yes, every single morning.
Is making bed important?
Yes, good daily habit.
Do you have pets at home?
No, not yet, sadly.
Do you want a pet?
Yes, maybe a dog.
Would a dog suit your house?
Yes, garden is perfect.
Does your house have good light?
Yes, many big windows.
Do you like natural light?
Yes, makes home warm.
Is your home your favorite place?
Yes, my favorite place.
Why do you love home?
Family and comfort there.
Do you invite friends home?
Yes, sometimes on weekends.
Do friends like your house?
Yes, they love it.
Will you live here always?
Maybe, I love here.
Do you want your own house someday?
Yes, my big dream.
What kind of house do you want?
Big house with garden.
Where do you want to live?
Near the city center.
Is city living good?
Yes, everything is close.
Do you prefer house or apartment?
I prefer a house.
Why do you prefer house?
More space and garden.
Is your current house perfect?
Yes, perfect for us.
Are you happy living here?
Yes, very happy here.
Thank you for showing me.
Come visit anytime, friend.